Hello guys, welcome again to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Carol JJ Jeff Carol JJ kama kawaida. So leo nimekuja na another recipe. As you know, hey, home of food recipe, home of cooking ideas. Yeah, Carol kwa channel ya Carol JJ. So subscribe for more food content. Yeah. So venye mnaona here, I have eggs, I have toaster machine, like toasted machine or toaster machine. I have their pan, I have bread, and I'm going to make the toaster bread. So without forgetting, I have blue band over there because you can't make it without blue band because inaweza katalia hapo hivyo kwa toaster machine. So mimi ndio huyu. I want to pasua this mayai, then like I'm going to make something like scrambled egg, like omelette, so that nieke nini katikati ya mkate, then nifanye nini nieke kwa hiyo toaster machine. So I'm going to cut my onion after nimepasua mayai. Yeah, I'm going to use 3 eggs. Hapo hivyo nimepasua 2, but mtaona tu add 1 more. Yeah, so let me cut the onions. After cutting the onions, we are going to cut our tomato. I'm going to use half tomato. So now peleka haraka. Anyways, let me cool down. Let me slow down. Yeah. Kwa cutting vitu ndogo ndogo, but you know omelette pia ukimake inafuna kata vitu ndogo ndogo, like onions you have to cut into small pieces, same to tomatoes you have to cut into small pieces. Like here I don't have coriander, I don't have pepper, like sijeka vitu mob. Yeah, si mnajua tu, for the chef they can understand, but I'm just trying to tell you vitu sijeka like omelette. You know I'm not making the omelette, but I'm making something like look like omelette because nataka ku. Here the main thing that we are making ni toaster bread, so we have to know that, to mark that. So nikamix, nikaona iko sawa, nishaeka chumvi, so ni time ya kuweka kwa pan, then after that tuone what next. Kama kawaida kapani ketu kana kwanga tu kadogo. Yeah, so I didn't want to use sufuria, but I just decided to strain with my small pan, but si mbaya sana. That the come out, you hope you understand. So then I guess it is ready, na nisheka kwa hiyo cutting board, and it's now time nieke between the bread, then after that nieke kwa toaster machine, like inahitaji sandwich. Anyways, hope you understand. Yeah, like English is Englishing, but hope I'm trying my best. English is Englishing. Oh my god. Anyways guys, don't forget to subscribe. So imagine tuko 85 subscribers, let's hit 1k subscribers. Yeah, ndashukuru sana jamani. And if you made maybe this video is somewhere, anywhere, don't forget to watch out, to subscribe, to comment, to like, share. Yeah, so hapo najaribu weka hizo my eggs between the bread, so that iko like iko tu ready. Nikianza kuweka kwa hiyo machine naeka tu faster. I'm going to go 2 trips. Is it 2 trips a good word to use here? So you have to apply butter to avoid isishike kwa hiyo machine. Like let me just use machine. Yeah, isishika hapo. So because ukiapply pia inasaidia ukitoa like inakuwa tu simple, like but usipo apply utaona tu kitua zingine zimekatalia hapo, like haitatoka poa, itatoka into pieces. But here I want something kama ni full nikate mwenyewe you know. Yeah, so I have to close. After closing it, I'm going to give it 3 minutes. So here we have, mine is reddish, so ikiwa ready hapo itaform kitu kama like orange. You know, I have color blindness, but you're gonna see, then you tell me in the comment section kama hiyo ni color gani, red, like orange, like anyways. Okay, yeah. So you can, as you can see that color. Can you tell me which color is that? Kama si orange. So here our toast bread is ready. Yes. So mimi ndio inatoa. So unaona guys, the important of butter after you have applied, you know venye unaona venye inatoka tu bila kushika hapo. Yeah, that's what I was trying to explain to you. So my toast iko tu na nini mbele, so I had to go for the first one and the second one ya mwisho, cause I had 4. So hii ni ya mwisho. Apart from using eggs, you can also use minced meat. You can use mayai chapati, boiled egg, like anything. I'm gonna show you all that. Yeah, I'll show you in the next video how to use boiled egg. You can even use butter only. You see that butter? This butter, you can use it only. Na ita work poa sana. Yeah, if you don't have eggs, you can use butter. So guys, as you can see, hiyo ni kama sikuweka butter mob. So unaona ni kama ilinisumbua kutoa. So I had to give it some minutes. Ndio at least nitoe, but at least nilitoa poa ikiwa full. Hope I tried. Anyways guys, msisahau kuwatch this video na kusubscribe na kulike na kucomment. Nawapenda sana. You know, without you guys I can't go anywhere. So here I'm cutting it to show you how it looks like inside, venye inakaa fiti ya mintani. So guys, you can, oh my gosh, you see that appearance? Inakaa fiti. So let me add what? Tomato sauce. You can eat with anything that you want. Even you can add kachumbari. You can cut kachumbari and eat with it. Like anything. You know, as long as something is healthy. Kula. You can eat with it. Yeah. And this is very strong breakfast. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. Tukutana kwa video ingine. I love you.